Hey everyone, Jacob here from Just Jeeps, and today I'm going to be speaking with you about a top brand of LED headlights that we carry, specifically the JW Speaker 8700 Evolution J2 lights. The JW Speaker Evolution J2 headlights are a 7-inch round LED headlight that are meant to fit your Jeep Wrangler JK models. It comes with an optional retainer ring so that you can fit this specific light inside your Jeep Wrangler JL or your Jeep Gladiator JT as well. The Model 8700 Evolution J2 lights come equipped with a new technology called dual burn. This new technology provides riders with a powerful punch of light that they need at night and also offers widespread visibility for all on-road and off-road uses. JW Speaker offers headlights, taillights, turn signals, and fog lights for your Jeep Wrangler JK. But today, we're going to take a look at the headlights. I have here the Evolution J2s. Don't you just love the sound of a freshly unwrapped headlight? If you do, then you can pick up a set today at justjeeps.com. So what makes this so great? Well, there's no additional wiring harnesses that are required for it. And you're not going to see any flickering, which means that you don't have to take it to your local dealer to get flashed. In addition to that, it's simple. Plug and play installation, and you're all set to go. You can have these installed in under half an hour, and you're going to hit the trails or hit the road and be able to see anything and everything that's coming at you. The Evolution J2 headlights from JW Speaker are DOT and Transport Canada approved for on-road use, so you don't have to have any worries running these things no matter the province that you're in. The headlights also come with a limited 5-year warranty, so you know that JW stands behind their products and that you're buying the best in the business. These lights don't just visually improve your Jeep, but they're actually there for safety as well. We always recommend Jeep JK owners to look at LED headlight upgrades, and there's none better than JW Speaker. They stand behind their product, and we do too. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and follow, and leave us a comment in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.